I drank clove water every single morning for 7 days. And what happened to my body honestly surprised me more than I expected. At first, I didn't believe anything major would change. Like many people, I thought clove water was just another natural health trend that sounds impressive online but doesn't really create noticeable results. But cloves have been used in traditional wellness for centuries, and they contain powerful compounds like eugenol, antioxidants, and natural anti-inflammatory agents. So I decided to test it myself. No skipping days, no shortcuts. Just 1 cup of freshly prepared clove water every morning on an empty stomach for a full week. What started as a simple experiment slowly turned into something much more interesting. Before we dive in, let me in the comments how old you are and where are you watching from. 1. Improves brain function and mental clarity. Clove water can significantly support brain health and mental clarity. The eugenol in cloves has neuroprotective properties that help reduce oxidative stress in the brain, which is one of the major contributors to cognitive decline. Drinking clove water daily may improve focus, memory, and alertness by supporting proper blood flow to brain cells and enhancing oxygen delivery. Some studies suggest that cloves can protect against neurodegenerative conditions by neutralizing free radicals, reducing inflammation in brain tissues, and improving overall neuronal health. Over time, this may lead to sharper thinking, better concentration, and enhanced problem-solving abilities. Even subtle improvements in mental clarity can boost productivity and mood, making daily tasks feel easier and reducing mental fatigue. 2. Supports liver health and detoxification. The liver is the body's natural detoxifier, and clove water can support its function. Eugenol and antioxidants in cloves help neutralize harmful toxins and free radicals, reducing oxidative stress that can damage liver cells. Regular consumption may improve the liver's ability to process waste products efficiently, supporting overall metabolic health. Clove water also promotes better bile secretion, which aids digestion and helps remove waste from the body. Protecting the liver reduces the risk of fatty liver, inflammation, and long-term liver damage. Over time, this can improve energy levels, digestion, and overall health. By supporting detoxification, clove water indirectly helps other organs function more efficiently, making the body feel cleaner and more balanced. 3. Enhances stomach and digestive health. Clove water is highly effective in improving digestion and reducing digestive discomfort. It stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, which help break down food more efficiently, reducing bloating, gas, and heaviness. The smooth muscles of the gastrointestinal tract relax, which allows food to pass more easily through the intestines and reduces cramping or discomfort. Cloves also have mild antibacterial properties, helping to balance gut bacteria, which further supports proper digestion. Drinking clove water regularly can improve nutrient absorption, allowing your body to get the maximum benefit from food. Over time, this can reduce chronic digestive issues, improve bowel regularity, and create a feeling of lightness and comfort after meals. 4. Reduces joint pain and inflammation. Clove water can help reduce joint pain and stiffness caused by inflammation. Eugenol is a natural anti-inflammatory compound that targets low-grade inflammation in joints and muscles, which is a common source of discomfort in adults. Regular consumption may alleviate mild arthritis symptoms, reduce swelling, and improve mobility. This effect is not immediate but becomes noticeable over several days of consistent use. By lowering inflammation, clove water also reduces oxidative stress in tissues surrounding joints, protecting them from further damage. The overall effect is a more comfortable range of motion, less soreness, and the ability to perform daily activities with greater ease. It's a natural way to support joint health without relying solely on medications. 5. Supports blood sugar regulation. Clove water can play a supportive role in managing blood sugar levels, making it especially beneficial for individuals with diabetes, prediabetes, or insulin resistance. The bioactive compounds in cloves, including eugenol, help improve insulin sensitivity, allowing the body to use glucose more efficiently. This stabilizes blood sugar levels throughout the day, preventing sudden spikes and crashes that often lead to sugar cravings, fatigue, and overeating. By supporting healthy glucose metabolism, Clove water also contributes to better weight management and lowers the risk of long-term metabolic disorders. Over time, combining clove water with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and healthy lifestyle habits can enhance its effects. It works gently yet effectively, offering a natural, holistic approach to maintaining balanced blood sugar and sustained energy levels without relying solely on medication. 6. Boosts immune system and overall health. Clove water is a rich source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, all of which play a crucial role in supporting a strong immune system. Nutrients such as vitamin C and magnesium strengthen the body's natural defenses, helping it fight off infections and recover more quickly from illnesses. Eugenol, the primary compound in cloves, also has antimicrobial and antifungal properties, which actively target harmful bacteria and viruses. Regular consumption of clove water not only enhances immunity but also protects cells and tissues from oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic illnesses over time. By reducing inflammation and supporting overall cellular health, clove water lowers the risk of conditions like heart disease, certain cancers, and age-related degeneration. Incorporating this simple daily habit provides a natural, holistic boost to long-term health, vitality, and overall well-being. 7. Supports lung health and respiratory function. Clove water can play a significant role in supporting lung health and overall respiratory function. The eugenol in cloves has natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that help reduce inflammation in the airways and protect against respiratory infections. Regular consumption may help clear mucus, reduce irritation, and improve airflow in the lungs, making breathing feel easier, especially for those with mild congestion or seasonal sensitivities. Cloves also have antioxidants that combat oxidative stress in lung tissues, protecting cells from damage caused by pollutants, smoke, or free radicals. Over time, this can support overall lung efficiency and respiratory stamina. While it is not a replacement for medical treatment for serious respiratory conditions, clove water can be a gentle, natural way to maintain healthy lungs and support long-term breathing comfort and immunity. How to prepare clove water. To prepare clove water, boil 1 cup of fresh water and add 4 to 8 whole cloves. Let it simmer for 5 to 10 minutes or steep off the heat for 10 minutes. Strain the water into a cup, optionally adding a little honey for taste. Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning for best results, or sip throughout the day. That's it for today's video on the amazing benefits of clove water and how you can easily prepare it at home. If you start incorporating this simple, natural drink into your daily routine, you can support digestion, immunity, joint health, blood sugar balance, and even lung and brain function over time. Remember, consistency is key. Drinking it regularly can help your body feel lighter, more energized, and healthier overall. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family so they can also benefit. And most importantly, subscribe to the channel for more natural health tips, easy home remedies, and wellness advice every week. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.